Sam, can you say Nani? Can you say, sit. Can you say Mama? Can you say Daddy? Can you say Cookie? Can you say Book? Book. Where's Eden? Where is she? She's at school?
Yeah.
Did you say bye? Bye-bye. Is that a book? Book? Where's your nose? That's your ears. Here's your nose. Nose, nose, nose. Where's your eyes? Where's your hair? Hair. Yep. Where's your feet? Very good. Where's your hands? Really? Where's Miranda? Where's Mia? They're outside? Where'd they go? Where's Addie Lynn? Did she go on the bus? Did you say bye-bye? Where's Claire? Are we going to go see Clary? Yeah. And Lila? And Cha-Cha? Where are they?
I'm going to go.
You're going to go? But where are your shoes? Bye.